Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So take a look, here is mine, and if you want to change it, simply click and hold home screen. I just click on the widget, click and hold your home screen, then find styles and the wallpapers. As you can see, there we got the home screen and there we get the lock screen. So if you want to change wallpaper of your lock screen, okay, let's click here. Let's make it another time. Swipe here and then pick the wallpaper that you want to apply. For example, I'm going to set up this one. Yeah, this one looks cool. I would like to apply it on the lock screen. So click here, set on the lock screen. There was the preview how it's going to look. And take a look right now. Our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.